Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how to remove your credit card details, debit card details from your PAYTM account. So I'm going to show this. For the right, there is no options actually directly. There is another way to do that. Just go to your add money, click this add money, enter some amount here and click money, add money to wallet, and you will see the saved details now. Actually this is the saved details. You can get it here. If you do not want this credit card details, just click this remove. That's it. Simply you will be removing this one. So it will be asking for the confirmations. Are you sure you want to remove this card? Yes, I'm gonna say yes. So this is the way you can remove your credit card or even debit card details. Any saved details will be removed. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.